Answering questions such as this will help you revise for your mathematics examination. The cost of a journey is calculated using the graph, and the question asked is, how much does it cost to travel 5 miles? Have a go at this yourself, and on the next slide I'll show the answer. Well, we can see that the cost of a journey is calculated using the graph below, and we are asked, how much does it cost to travel 5 miles? As you look at the graph, you can see the x-axis has marked off the distance in miles, and we are interested in the 5 miles point. And you can see bouncing into position is a circle highlighting that 5. It's now a case of going straight up to the plot, and you can see that being achieved by this dotted green line until it touches the plot, and then you go to your left towards the y-axis, which is marked off the cost, and you can see it goes to the 8 as shown by the circle bouncing into position. Now this 8 represents the cost in pounds. So to travel 5 miles in the minibus taxi will cost £8. So we can write the answer as cost equals £8.